Zhuye Elevator Parts Company is a professional manufacturer of elevator displays, providing high-quality displays. This is the Otis LOP assembly place. Here is the HBP 16. And here you can see some classic loop display HBP 12, HBP 11, and others. Zhuye Elevator Parts Company provides reliable display solutions for the global elevator industry.
We will show you our PCB line. This is the NT production line one. And in the line 2 here. And you can see some products here. We put the bulb inside and go into the PCB, the complete PCB from the display. Here to stick on the bulb.
Those are finished board, display board for Otis. This is only a part of the displays made by our company. Also have other models which are not showed here. Our elevator displays are widely applied in various types of elevators, featuring stable performance, visualization, and excellent compatibility, meeting the advanced needs of elevator manufacturers and maintenance service providers.